Yes, it is. Oh, I don't even know.
Here, handle that.
She's making our sandwich. Which of the meatballs?
We're gonna need a knife to put it 3 ways. We should have gotten this like.
Can you cut it in 3s once you've gotten it?
It's not going to be the easiest thing to do on a meatball. Okay, what cheese would you like on it?
I'm getting another
White American.
White American.
You all tasted it. Did you
Yeah.
go to Starbucks already?
Yeah, we went to Starbucks and came back.
What else?
That's it. Just some Parmesan cheese and that's it.
Parmesan cheese.
Yeah, it's good. Add the extra cheese. Here, hold this. I have to go put mine.
Take a picture of her making the sandwich.
Oh, I'm still videoing. I guess hey, here, hold this. She's making the meatball marinara sandwich.
Y'all still might have to open it up, but I don't know if it's meatball and all of it or not.
One of these? Cookies! Cookie. Here's our meatball.
It's gonna be $3.56.
Oh, did I give you the money? No, money. You have it in your pocket.
Out of 5. $1.44 is your change. Would you like your receipt?
Yeah, no.
Okay. Then you have a wonderful evening.
You too, thank you.
Thank you.